Hi there, tubers. Thanks again for stopping by. Today, I am going to tell you that I have completed the repair of this A77 Mark I deck. So I will be taking it back to the owner today. So I'm sure he'll have a nice smile on its face. But there are still things that I would have done to this deck. For example, I would have completely changed out every single part in this thing. If it was my deck and I had bought it from new. So I'm gonna suggest to him that he buy the kit and get that done, because there is a guy from Australia who sells the full Monty kit, he calls it, for the A77. It has all the mechanical and all the electrical parts that this deck would need. So for sentimental reasons, if it was me, I would want this thing right back to stock, you know what I mean? So what I did, I went through and I tested all the components, and I replaced everything that I found bad. Here is the bag. With all the parts, you know, of course I changed the 3-run motor run capacitor. At first look, in my first video, I think I mentioned that that these probably didn't need to be changed, but because it had, you know, I couldn't detect any leak on it. But after going through the deck, I realized that these caps were indeed bad. So don't let looks fool you when you're doing this yourself and thinking that because the part looks nice and shiny, it's no good. It's good. It could look nice and shiny and it's just dead. Or it could be a brand new part you put in and it dead, you know what I mean? So the best thing is to test. You excuse me. You can't test too many times. And these are the famous Riker caps that always go bad. I replaced the ones on the I replaced all the square 0.4 microfarad capacitors in this deck. The one on the ones on the motor drive board, one of them got shorted and bring down a resistor with it. And then, you know, like I said, I went through and changed every part that I see needed to be changed. Now the deck is working fine. But one thing missing is the power light. I do not have a bulb for it. And on eBay, I checked eBay if they have any bulb, but I didn't see any. And I just want to give this deck back to the owner because I'll be away for a long time. So I just want to have him give it to him so he have something to listen to. Anyway, yeah, so the deck is fine. Oh, one other thing, I think I'd mentioned this before. While I was cleaning the deck, when cleaning it up, the cleaning solution wipe off every markings on the face of this deck. So right here are my scribblings, you know, to recreate the markings. But of course I couldn't in good conscience bring back the deck with this to the owner. So I went on eBay and I was lucky enough to find one same vintage as that one, and I bought it and put it on. You can't even tell the difference, but I'm still going to give him this old one for probably sentimental reasons. He might want to keep it, so I'll give it to him. So everything is all good right now. Let's see, I can't play this thing too long, as you know, because eBay is gonna nick me. You know, it's working fine. Every function works. Rewind, fast forward, works. Works. It's all good. All good. So now all I need to do is to shine it up some more. The case was in bad shape too, so I kind of clean it up with some furniture polish, let it look kind of nice, better than I receive it. And the face, I cleaned that up too. So now it's all good to go. So I need to just put on the head cover, and all is good. Yeah. So this was a successful repair, and I'm happy to say that this is the final part to these videos. This is part 3 of the Revox A77 MK1 repair. I think he told me he bought this thing at, I want to say 67 or 77, but he bought it in Germany, brand new, way back when. So, you know, he'll be quite happy to get it back. The deal was for me to repair this for him, and he's got a Mark IV, A77 Mark IV, that he said he would give to me when I fix this. But seeing that I didn't, go through and do a full on restoration, I'm just gonna not take his deck. I'll just give it back to him working good too. So, all right. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye.